Hey, I'm Cloud for the Sound Design channel, and in today's video, we are making a Rufus du Sol bass from scratch in Serum. So you can also find this patch in the pack linked in the description. So let's get right to it, and this is how the bass sounds. Now let's copy the MIDI and open up a brand new instance of Serum. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to turn on the filter, and at the moment the sound sounds like this. Now let's filter oscillator A, B, and the sub. Right away we hear some overlapping notes, so let's go to voicing and turn on the mono because we are making a bass sound today. Okay, so now let's go to oscillator A and turn down the octave to -2 and unison to 8. And now let's turn down the fine tune to like -5 to add that analog feel to the sound. And now let's go to oscillator B and turn the octave to -1. And again, turn the unison to 8 and detune to about 0.07. And let's again turn the fine tune, and now we're going to turn it to 7, so positive now. Now let's go to the sub oscillator and turn the octave to -2 and turn on the saw wave shape. And turn the level to about 50%. Now let's go to envelope 1 and just add some decay to about 1.9, and then let's add a little bit of release to about 360. Now let's go to LFO1 and create the attack for our sound. And in the let's turn off the BPM so we have the hertz. Let's turn it to about 2.1 and attach this envelope 1 LFO to the filter cutoff. Now in the mode, let's turn the envelope on so we only have the attack. Now let's go to LFO2 and attach this to the filter cutoff as well. And leave it as it is. And now let's go to the effects section and add the distortion. And let's turn the drive to about 78% and the mix to about 50. And that's how you make a Rufus the Soul bass inspired by their track All I've Got. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what other sounds you'd like me to recreate, and as mentioned, feel free to get this patch among others from the pack in the description. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and see you soon.